do you got?
No fish. It's surfacing.
The ones that are on the very top there. Oh, they are fish.
They are fish.
Well, you've already got your feet in the water. You want to take that in?
Yeah.
That's it.
On the surface. I don't know, from the top they look like bugs, from the side they look like fish.
Well, that'll be getting them. That'll be getting good footage.
I'm gonna stop.
That's what you... So it looks like Problem Creek is going to be a problem to get to. But there was another trail on the GPS. So fingers crossed we can get down to it. You're right, go straight now.
Bye.
Bye, see you later.
Oh!
Oh,
Big black beetle.
sorry, dude. The beetle okay, or did you cut his bum off?
No, he's okay. He's putting him down.
Come on.
Yeah.
That's okay, we had a bit of fun and we've got about 4 or 5 huge gouges in the car now.
Right. Thank you.
Oh,
Alright, before we go down, let's have a look.
holy dooly.
Yeah, it's alright, it's not too bad. I might just put Mitzi into lower range.
Definitely wouldn't do it in the wet.
No.
It's going to be a... if you've got it back up.
Yeah.
Sorry, Mitz.
Sorry, Mitz.
I don't think it's going to be a very good one. Not that I don't greatly enjoy it.
Yeah, we'll back up.
Roll that window up. We couldn't drive in it. It was
No. Temperature's gone up a little bit, so it's good. We're at the top of the hill now.
780 meters.
Oh, let's bring the
Fly,
temp
bird,
down.
fly.
Doing 40k, so get the air flying. Oh, picnic area.
You need to price the training cooler. Is it a transmission cooler? Is that what you call it?
Yeah. Right, I'm thinking, chuck a Yui. There was a picnic area back there with an old barbecue.
We don't
Stop.
have any food.
I know, well, if you listen to me,
Oh,
we'll stop, let the car cool
sorry, I
down,
didn't mean to spit.
put the drain up for a fly.